Ah, time for faith. Did you hear that? Brother. Not again. Oh, just came out. But I think it did. No couple up there. So Doctor, here he is. Looks like his battery's coming out. Yeah. So what do you want me to do about that? Check his pulse. Yeah, he's still alive. He's dying. Okay, I hear you. Okay, so what are you gonna do? Well, I gotta change a new battery in. Just do whatever you got to do. This may be very excruciating for you to watch. So you're gonna have to get out. Don't do it so rude. Your assistant. Yes. Why do you sound like a 2-year-old? Well, this is my best voice. I'm gonna need you to get me a new battery. What? Okay. Well, look into my eyes. Now. Take that battery with you. This? Sure. Now put it in. I can't. Okay. I see a cat. I don't care about the cat. Just get your friend. And your pen and paper. This is the original Mario. Woohoo! I'm Mario! Woohoo! You never told me he was Mario! Can you at least watch? Sure. Yay! I'm gonna go sit you over here. Pen and paper. I got my pen and paper. So now, right now. Only I can show them. Show me! Those are fired. Okay. You wrote down he is going to die. Are you kidding me? No, that's not what it says. Oh, no. I read it wrong. It says... I can't read that. Don't write his language. Now that says... I don't know what to say. My voice changed. Just do the procedure. I'll watch you. Woohoo! It's a me Mario. Nintendo is not sponsoring this. Your voice changed again. I'm sorry. Okay, I just gotta put this in. Let's hope you're not digging. Get this heart in. Okay. Put that in and done. Now, did you get that on paper? Are you kidding me? No, batteries are falling out. Probably what shocked him. Assistant! What? get your pen and paper and write down what you saw. I saw nothing. Flip the page. Oh, what? Okay. So, why do I keep falling over? Okay. So it says. Oh, my God. So it says, it was an awesome operation. You are the best. Thank you. Give me that pen. You are now my assistant manager. Yay! Now what about Mario? Woohoo! Nintendo! Now dare all from Nintendo except him. Ow! I'm glad I'm still alive. I'm a ventriloquist. My mouth doesn't move. Well. So. Woohoo! Woohoo! Mario! Mario, I have to tell you something. You are now my regional manager. Woohoo! This way! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Ooh! 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 Woo! Yeah! Woohoo! Woohoo! This way! Well, I promote you to. I'm doing something! Woohoo! Wait! What is your problem now? You're promoted him. I promoted you. To what? To manager. You done promoted me. I can hear on your conversation. Oh, I fell. And I jumped too. So you failed. I'm downgrading you to intern. Get that pen and paper and start writing. So, sir, how are you? I am good. Move your mouth, sir. Oh, I'm good. How do you feel? I feel great. Sir, you still sometimes don't move your mouth. I don't care. I want my hand back. Okay, I'm gonna find your hand from whoever took it. Waluigi and Wario. He wouldn't hit it, but still. Okay. I'm leaving. Brother! What do you want? I'm fixed. Okay, go to bed. I'm already in bed.